What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shan's Night and I am back with another video. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 tips about how you can start your hair business. I started my hair business January 2022. So if you guys are really interested to hear all about this, please stick around. So I know we're living in a really hard time, so everybody is looking for a side hustle and everything like that. Like person want to do something on the side. They don't want to leave their 9 to 5, but they still want to have like passive income, have things happening, getting some extra funds from here or there or whatever like that. So they're looking for things to do. So one of the things that you can do if you're interested in hair, you can start your own hair business. Like you can legit start your hair business, and it doesn't take much. I'm not going to tell you that it takes $0 because it doesn't. Like I see persons saying that start your hair business with only $0. I've never seen that before. So I am going to be sharing some of my tips and sharing some of the things that worked for me, and if you guys are interested, you guys can try it as well. One of the first things, so I have my notebook here, so I will be looking down some of the time. So the first thing that you guys need to do if you decide to start, I think any business, it's not just the hair business but any business whatsoever, you have to do your research. You have to do research into whatever business you're going into. If you're going into clothing, if you're going into hair, if you're going into makeup, if whatever you're going into, you have to do your research. And research helps you to know more about the business, the market, everything like that. You need to know the type of hair. You need to know about frontals, you need to know about closures, you need to know about T-parts, you need to know about the quality hair, you need to know about the type of hair, Peruvian, Brazilian, Malaysian. You need to know all about that. What's the difference about that? What you recommend in certain areas. You need to be able to answer your customer questions. So if your customers have some questions, you must be able to answer those questions. You must be able to tell the difference between Malaysian, Peruvian, Brazilian. You must be able to talk about that. So you can't take the short step and say, alright then, I just go start my hair business and I just go purchase vendors list, because I don't recommend vendors list, because vendors list can, I guess some person can purchase it and it works for them, but vendors list, you can purchase a list that even the person that you purchase it from don't even use that list. Because I can create a vendors list, because I can go on the internet and get some suppliers and just put it on a list and say, okay, then I'm selling you that list for $30, or I'm selling you that list for $20, but I've never used any of those suppliers. So I don't know if the quality of their hair, if their hair is good. So I don't recommend vendors list. Don't take the shortcut into your business. Do the work and it will pay off. Do your research. All right, do your research, because once you get the knowledge, nobody can take it out of your head. When you get the knowledge, it's for your own good, and your business will grow from your knowledge, the things that you know. So don't buy a vendors list. So the next thing that I will say you should do after you do your research, now you're going to find your vendor. Remember, so we're not using a vendor list now, so now you're going to find your vendor. So you're going to go on, there are numerous of places that you can go on to find vendors. You can go on AliExpress, you can go on Alibaba, you can go on Instagram, you can go on Google, you can go on all of those that I just list out. When you go on those, you're going to reach out to those suppliers, tell them that you are interested in selling hair, and if it's bundles, if it's wigs, whatever it is, tell them that you're interested in do so, and you are wondering, ask them for the quality hair that they sell, After you find out what's the quality hair them sell, in your head you must already know what is it that you're going to do. Is it that you're going to be selling bundles? Is it that you're going to be selling wigs? What is it that you are going to do? So right there and then you are going to be asking them for if they can send you samples for testing. When they send you the samples for testing, it's not, some places will tell you it's free, they have to pay for the shipping, but some will tell you that it's not free and you have to pay for the bundle. 100 gram, some of them is 100 grams, so you get the 3 different qualities. You will get 3 different texture here. So you will get like a body wave, you will get a deep wave, and you will get a straight, and all of that come up to 100 gram. And right there and then you can test. But what if you're not into doing the 3 different texture here? But if you want to just start out with your straight hair, you can just get the bundles for testing. When you're testing here as well, you don't want to just purchase the bundle and have that thing where you test if it can bleach, or you test if it can, if when you light it, it turn chalk, or it turn ashes, or it turn plastic. It's more than that. You have to get the hair, the bundle. If it's bundles, you get the bundles and you sew it in. Sew it in your hair, keep it in for at least 3 weeks. See the shedding, see the quality of the hair, how much time you have to pass your flat iron over the hair before it is straightened. Can the hair take dye? If it's a curly hair, after you're wearing it for 3 weeks or 2 weeks and you wash it, does the curl, can you get back the curl? Is the curl gone? So it takes more than that. Is the nape at the neck right here still get knotty when the hair is down? You want to know all of those stuff. So it's more than just testing the hair if it can bleach, or if it can dye, or all of that, or if it turn ashes or plastic when you burn it. It is more than that. So you definitely want to choose your vendor, do it in your own time, at your own pace. Don't let nobody rush you, because at the end of the day, if you buy trashy hair and you sell it to people, and you them will come to, they now say which Mr. Chin you order this from, or which vendor you order this from. Is you and your brand they are coming at. All right, so my next tip is, so after you do all of that, you narrow down your list, you choose your vendor, you test your hair, you made a decision and all of that, who you're going to go with. Now you're going to come up with your company name. Don't come up with names that you think is carrying the swing right now. So for instance, Jollibee are the thing right now. You're going to name a business Jollibee here. Do your research on your business name. Check out company's office to see if those names are that you come up with. Right, well, I'm saying company's office because I'm in Jamaica, and company's office is where I would check to see if the name that I come up with is taken. Like for my business name, I changed my business name about because I had it at Classic Shans one at a time, and then I decided that Classic Shans is not it for me. So I decided to use a different name. So my business name is Tailor Made by Shan. Tailor with the surname Taylor, not Taylor as in stitching up something Taylor. It's Taylor as in Taylor, the name. My mom name is Taylor, and I love that name. I just love the last name Taylor. And I was like, okay then, I love the last name Taylor, and I can play on the word Taylor as in making the hair. So I'll play on it. So I said Tailor Made by Shan. So it's a custom wig business. So when I say Tailor Made by Shan, some persons probably spell it the Tailor as in, because I'm talking about making custom wigs, but it's my mom name and then by Shan because I am Shana. So I just put them together and say Tailor Made by Shan. So you must put thought into your business name. Don't come up with it because you think it sounds cute, you're gonna name a business name, good shot, good body hair. Come up with a hair, come up with a name, it's respectable. So somebody looking at that name on the paper without even seeing you, they say, okay then, that's a business name. But when you're gonna say good body hair, or body good hair, or whatever it is, I'm just coming up with some things. Choose your business name wisely. So don't just go off of what is happening at the time. Just make sure you choose your business name wisely. I think that is number 3. So number 4 now, you're going to ensure that you know your target audience. That means you're going to know who is it that you are targeting. What age group are you targeting? So your business enough for your family, your business enough for your friend, your business enough for your sister, your brother, your cousin, your uncle, enough for nobody like that, because that's where you're going to feel bad when you see your friend now purchase from you, when you see your family now purchase from you, when you see your aunt, nobody at all now purchase from you that is from that side. You know your target audience, know who is it that you are catering to, get their opinion. Somebody purchased from you, get reviews. How is it? What can you change? What do you suggest? All of them little things there. Know your target audience. Know who you are going for. So nobody begs when you see your friend now purchase from you, and you see your friend go buy here from somewhere else. Nobody begs, because your friend wasn't your target audience. Your cousin, your uncle, your brother, them wasn't your target audience. You know your target audience. Know who you cater for. All of that. In the same breath, do your promotions. There are a lot of medium that you can promote your business on for free. You have Instagram, you have TikTok. Like TikTok is all over, it's wide. You have all different kind of persons on TikTok who will reach out. Like for me, enough people reach out to me from TikTok. I sell people on TikTok. Like TikTok are my number 1 medium for advertising, because people just reach out. Other than referral, people just reach out. You have Pinterest, you have word of mouth, you have flyer. There's a lot of different ways that you can promote your business for free. If you want, you can go on Instagram and you can pay for promotion. Make sure say you promote it and you take nice pictures, and don't use no stock pictures, meaning that don't use no pictures that the Chinese people have on them website. I showed it here. Use actual pictures. If you want to take your hair, then pull them out of the plastic, record them, take a picture of them and record. Don't put any stock pictures, because when you put stock pictures, the person's not going to take it like that serious, because they're just going to think, okay, it's another hair vendor or another hair person selling hair, and I can't really see the quality of the hair. You need them to see the quality of the hair. Number 5 is basically, you need to know this. You are not going to have everything that you need for your business when you start it. So if it's a wig business, you don't have to have everything that you see other persons who have them wig business from Wapikil filler. You don't have to have all of those. If you have one mannequin head, you can use your one mannequin head. If you have if you have to use your hand to sew, you use your hands to sew. You don't have to have a sewing machine. If it's the wigs that you're making, that is if it's custom wig. If it's wigs as in you're buying the wigs from the supplier to sell, you don't have to start out with all the texture here. You don't have to start out with curly, straight and kinky. You don't have to start out. Zoom in. Start with, say, okay, then I'm going to be starting with only straight. Straight is a popular hair, so you can start, and straight hair is the cheapest here. So if you start out with your straight hair is much more cheap. And being that you're new in the business, you don't want to start out with too much texture here, and the stock inventory gets stuck on you. You want to start out with not curly hair, sorry. You want to start out with straight hair. Straight hair always sell. And so don't look and say, but me need this and me need that and whatever, and I can't start my business because I don't have that. Just start your business one by one. It will happen step by step. it will happen. So don't be caught up on watching what other persons are doing and are how them business flourishing and how your business now flourish. Don't be caught up with what is happening around you. Tunnel vision. Focus on what you want. Focus on your thing, not on what others are doing. Focus on your growth. Grow where you're planted. So if I write to say you're there with your one mannequin head, make your one mannequin head work. Make your three bungalow work with your one little closure. When you get that little money there, you flip it and you buy 2 wigs this time. And when you're selling 2 there, you flip it and you buy 3 next time. And when you're selling 3 there, you flip it and you buy 4 next time. And you keep on going. And you see clock, you say, whoa, like I never know this would happen. So don't be caught up with what is happening around you. So those are my little tips for starting your hair business. If you have any questions about my business and the steps that I took, or any other thing that you want me to do a video on, you can definitely leave it down in the comment section. I'm open to suggestions. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And until my next video, bye.